So I have a confession. My wife bought this U-shaped memory foam body pillow, and after one night, I kind of stole it. I mean, she ended up giving it to me, and guess what? I'm not giving it back. It's a 60-inch shredded memory foam pillow with a velvet cover. And yes, I know it's marketed as a maternity pillow, but listen, as a guy who side sleeps and reads in bed, this thing is perfect. I use it for reading first. I can sit it around me and rest my elbows on the sides. Super comfortable, really stable. And that velvet cover is way softer than I expected. Then when I roll over to go to sleep, I pull part of the pillow between my legs. If you're a side sleeper, you know how important that hip alignment is, and this pillow keeps everything supported without collapsing. The cover's washable, the construction feels solid, and it hasn't flattened out on me. The only thing to keep in mind is its size. This thing is pretty big, so keep that in mind when you're trying to figure out where to store it. But honestly, that's what makes it so comfortable and why it works so well. So yeah, that's my confession. If you read in bed, you're a side sleeper, or just want something insanely comfortable to sink into after a long day, definitely give this product some consideration. I approve it, and like I said before, we're gonna have to buy another one for my wife, because I ain't giving mine back.